Good morning. It's Thursday and I am on another adventure. This time I'm gonna go sit at Starbucks. I'm wild, I know. So it turns out the last time I left Katie's apartment, I did go the wrong way. I knew I would. Don't know why I was surprised. I also need to walk looking down a little bit because there's a lot of little holes and I'm super prone to tripping and falling. Just one of my many talents. It is so beautiful here. I looked at my weather app and it's 78 degrees. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what the humidity is. It's pretty wet, but it's not even that bad. I thought I would absolutely die here, but I'm not. I like it a lot. I have reached the motherland. Also not trying to get hit by a car today. We're back. Katie is off work for the day. Yay!
Did you see that tan line?
Oh, baby. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Farmer Kate, we'll call her. So Farmer Kate and I are going to, you like that name, don't you?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't care.
I mean, you want a farm someday, a ranch. A ranch and a farm are not that different. We'll call you Rancher Katie. Rancher Katie and I are going to Target first. We're going to pick up a beach towel to sit on and some sunscreen. And then we're going to go to Panera and grab us some dinner. Why am I talking like this? I have no idea. And then we're going to go to the beach where we were yesterday and we're going to have dinner. And we brought some games along. We're going to put, you tired, Katie? A little bit sleepy. We're gonna play some games on the beach. So we'll see you soon. I should have brought jackets because I'm gonna be cold. Yeah, it's already yum, yum. I got the strawberry poppy seed chicken salad and the cheddar broccoli soup. Katie got we were at Panera. Katie got the broccoli cheddar soup and half of a BLT. Nope. Yep. It's a turkey BLT with no free shavacado. Free shavacado. No fresh avocado or free shavacado for Katie. We just ate our dinner. Now we are walking out on the pier. It is so pretty out here. It's windy. And so the water's kind of roughish. If roughish was a word. Probably not. Look how pretty it is. Figure out what land is over there, what city, but we don't know. Isn't this just so pretty? I love this. The beach is my happy place. Katie, where's your happy place? In bed? Probably. It's up there, top 3 at least. Absolutely. We are by some sketchy birds right now. Look here. You just keep moving. The chips are gone. Keep moving. That's right, I'm looking at you. I don't know what kind of birds those guys are, do you? Oh, there's another one. I tried to swoop real fast. Where are all these diving birds you're seeing?
They're just going like Facebook all the way in the water.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Do you even see that right now? Wow. Just kidding. That was pretty cool. Let's see if we can catch that guy. Where? Nope. You're just spoofing me now, aren't you? see that guy? He did it too. Holy moly, they're crazy. They just like kamikaze dive bomb right into their water. That is crazy. I've never seen him do that, but I've also never paid attention. So that'll learn me. All right, we're gonna try again. There's been some. Oh, did I get him? He stays in.
Nope.
What is happening?
See him?
I think so.
He's like swooping down. There he goes.
I don't know if I got him in my video thing or not. Tried. Did that guy just swoop?
Yeah.
Oh, see the oh that one. Did you see it?
Yeah.
That was so cool. Another guy did it. You guys are good. Oh, oh wow. That is so cool.
Heck.
Katie and I are going to play a game called, what's this called? It's called Mind Trap, Left Brain, Right Brain. We got the
Scream that at the beach.
You really should not. This is one of the, sorry. This is one of the games we got at the Spy Museum in Washington, D.C. So we're going to play a little bit. We're getting dive bombed. Katie and I are, did you see that guy? He tried to kill me. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Can't actually see them in my video, but I promise they're everywhere.
She's going crazy.
I am a little bit. We're playing games.
Coming from that way. The storms are brewing.
Yeah, we got storms coming in, people. We got rain. Not really yet, but we did hear some thunder noises. See if we can. Oh, is that one? No, that was the ocean. Okay, so this puzzle says, what noun is suggested by the word puzzle below? I don't know. Katie knows, and I feel really stupid. It's not line it. It's not space it. It's not nothing it. No thing it. Zip it. Pause it. Closet. Why don't I know this? It's a blanket. It's a good one. Good job, Katie. Blanket. We are here at Williamsburg. We're going on a ghost tour. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
At 7:30 or 7:45.
We're on a ghost tour.
1950s. Well, almost all of it is built on top of existing 19th century sites. And a whole lot of those were built smack dab on top of 18th century sites. This building's no exception. It's got a labyrinth-like basement in it. About a third of it is 18th century, and then sometime in the 19th century they added a big extension. Well, I got to wondering, A, what sat on this corner in 1862, and B, who owned it? So after some digging, I discovered 2 blocks this way where the parking garage is, being dead next to the cemetery. Pardon the pun. Let's go up here on the sidewalk. There's hardly anybody out. Any of those curtains to move when the heat or the air is not on, that I know of. Take some pictures of it. We'll go down to the courthouse and talk some crime and punishments. And then I'll take you to one of the top 10.
As soon as that umbrella moves, I'll get a better shot.
stay dry over there?
No. I think no one's dry.
Sorry, it's hot out. I'm sweating a lot. Yeah, you should have looked at it. We're getting snakes.
We're getting snakes, and we're on our way to the gas station where we're going to get those snakes. And then, all right, stop it right now. We are going back to Washington, D.C. because there were some things there we didn't see last time, like most of every museum we didn't see. We saw lots of stuff, but there's way more to see there than we had time to see. There, now we're both in the picture. So Katie's in charge of the driving, and I'm in charge of just being the delightful travel companion in the passenger. I don't know, in the passenger seat. She doesn't know where we're going, so that's frightening. It's fine.
On my way to work, but we're not.
Oh, that's dumb. I can't go to where you work. Anyway, we are going to DC, and we'll show you what we do when we get there. I just looked up the weather in DC today. Right now, it says it's 66 degrees. I'm excited. Katie, not excited. She is gonna be cold, and I'm gonna be super happy. Well, we'll see. After being soaked like we were standing in the shower on the ghost tour last night, that was hilarious. We looked like drowned rats. I couldn't even hardly film because I would have ruined my phone. It was so wet. Anyway, we are possibly going to be chilly today. I'm super excited, especially since Arizona this next week is supposed to be 117. Not pretty. All right, Katie, what did we learn today?
We're stupid.
Yeah. Okay, so COVID has been the bane of our existence and continues to be. So to get into any of the museums, you have to follow some sort of safety protocol, which, okay, I understand. But that means we can't go to any of them today. And today is the day that we just drove 4 hours to get here. So we're not happy. But we're trying to make the best of it. We are walking up to the Capitol. I'm gonna knock on the door, say hello. Just kidding, that was a joke. That's all I got. It's my hand. All right, so here's the deal. Katie, how you feeling right now?
Not happy.
We are sad. I'm laughing because I laugh no matter happy, sad, angry. I laugh a lot. So 4 hours in the car, almost, to get to DC. Got there. We were just there a week ago, and everything was open, wasn't it? I mean, things looked open. We went to things. Anyway, today we get there. Nope, no can do, not even a bathroom open anywhere. So we have got to go potty, but it's okay, it's fine. Katie's very angry. She's very mad.
I just paid $20 to park for 15 minutes.
Well, no, it's more like half an hour. It was ridiculous. So we are now going back home to Katie's to watch TV and eat popcorn. Do you have popcorn? So anyway,
They're open.
If the store's open, we're gonna find the closest bathroom. DC,
Sucks.
I am not impressed right now because you have no bathrooms and you wouldn't let us go potty. And oh, I didn't tell the whole story, did I? Okay, so the whole story is that we could go to 0 museums because you had to buy your tickets online. And the reason I didn't buy anything online is because I wasn't sure when we were gonna for sure have time to do what. So like when we went to Williamsburg, we just walked up and bought our tickets and it was not a big deal. So apparently you have to do some kind of safety protocol where you have to buy your tickets, and it might even be like 2 weeks in advance. I have no idea, I'm making that up, but anyway, you have to buy your tickets in advance, and we couldn't go to any museum, so we're mad. That's okay. Next time I come to visit, we'll go see them and we'll plan better ahead. And that's all I have to say right now.